If you want to remove a website from your Bluehost account, this tutorial will walk you through the process step by step so you can do it safely and confidently. Whether you're cleaning up an old site, closing a project, or just managing your Bluehost dashboard more efficiently, this is a quick process once you know where to look. Before we begin, remember that removing a website may delete its data, so it's always important to double check that you're selecting the correct site. If this video helps you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's get started. First, log into your Bluehost account using your normal credentials. Once you're inside your dashboard, look for the website section. This is where Bluehost lists all of the websites connected to your account. If you manage more than one site, take a moment to carefully find the exact website you want to remove. This step is important because you want to make sure you're deleting the right one. After you find the website, click Manage Site. This opens the settings and control area for that specific website. From here, you'll want to go to the Advanced tab. Bluehost sometimes changes the layout slightly depending on the account or interface version, but the Advanced area is where you'll usually find site management tools. Now look for Site Management. Inside this section, you should see an option that says Remove Website. In some Bluehost layouts, the wording may look a little different, but it will still be the option related to deleting or removing the site from your account. Click that option to continue. At this point, Bluehost should show you a warning message. Make sure you read this carefully. This warning is there to remind you that website data may be permanently removed. That can include files, content, or other site information, depending on the setup. Take a second here and confirm that you really want to remove this website before moving forward. If everything looks correct, click Remove to confirm your choice. Bluehost will then begin the process of removing the website from your account. Depending on the size of the site and Bluehost's system response, you may need to wait a few moments while it finishes processing. Once the removal is complete, the website should no longer appear in your Bluehost account. If you had multiple websites, you can repeat these steps for any other site you want to delete. And that's it, you've now removed a website from your Bluehost account. If this tutorial was helpful, make sure to give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy, step-by-step guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.